Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle and don't forget to subscribe! For today's video, I just want to share something meaningful and personal sa akin, my morning routine for healing. And before, my life or my morning routine is very rushed, very chaotic, magulo. A lot has changed, okay? A lot has changed since I woke up from coma. And I have learned a lot from it. I look different from since I woke up from coma. This is my face before. And now, this is me. Mukhang walang sakit guys, di ba? Now, my morning routine is more of a slow-paced, intentional, and lagi kong iniisip pagising ko, I need to regain my strength, I need to recover, and I need to take care of myself. I am sharing my morning routine not just to show you what I do, but hopefully to inspire anyone who's going through the same healing journey. It can be from recovering from an illness o siguro wanted to change their lifestyle to a healthy one, or just simply embracing the healthy lifestyle, diba? And hopefully I can give inspiration or comfort to anyone who's going through the same thing. So let me take you to my morning rituals or routine that help me feel stronger and energized every day.
Hilang. Kita apa nih? Oke. Dapat bibili tayo. Kulang sila sa lupa lagi. Kulang sila sa lupa. Dali.
Siyam ka daw sa FC.
Tanda.
Nakadrive ka na? Oh, sige, bitaw ang brake. Tandaan lang. Yung brake. Kasi sa bike lagi. Yan. Oh, reverse. Tingnan mo siya namin. Huwag mo siya doon tabi. Kami, yan. Yan. Okay, balik mo. Kunti. Yan. Tingnan mo kami sakit sa likod. Kita mo. Atas pa para may kami. Allowance ka. Sige, atas pa. Atas pa.
Parang nakatagilid ako, kailan yan?
Ito na yan. Tingnan mo. Oh, just.
Ikot tayo ganyan.
Huwag. Huwag dyan. Oh, reverse.
Kita ko, ay tabi-tabi po. Ayan o. Pwede yan ganyan, Lin.
Gusto ko yan. Kahoy din mo ganun. Ayun o, walang singkit ito. Buwan singkit ka.
Lin o. Kahoy. Kunin mo na, Lin. Dami na tatay tayo.